Welcome to my channel, guys. In my today video I'm going to be showing you how to do this very easy project. So how this is cross, these are cross that I've crocheted. So in my today, and it's very easy. So in my today video I'll be showing you all how to crochet easy Easter crochet tutorial for beginner. So this is for beginners. So let me go straight to the point, guys. So these are the tools that are needed to complete this project: my scissors, my needle, and my crochet hook. I'm going to be using the crochet hook number 3mm. And the yarn that I'm going to be using is, I'm just going to be using the leftover of some of my yarns that I've been working on. So you can use any type of yarn of your own choice. So let me go straight to the point, guys. So the first thing is, I'm going to take my yarn and I'll make a small knot like that. I make a knot, I pass my hook inside the knot, and I'll bring my yarn inside like that. So I'm going to crochet 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's my 4 chain. So back to the knot here, guys, I'm going to make a slim stitch like this, so you can see my small knot. So the next thing that I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to crochet 3 chain like that. So back to the knot, I'm going to crochet 2 double crochet follow. So that's the first double crochet. The second double crochet, so plus the chain, it will make it 3 double crochet. So the next thing, I'm going to crochet 3 chain. That's 1, 2, 3, a loop on top of my hook. Back to my knot, I crochet 3 double crochet. So that's the first double crochet, the second double crochet, and the third double crochet. So the next thing again that I'm going to do, I'm going to make 3 chain. That's 1, 2, and 3. So back to my very knot again, I'm going to crochet another 3 double crochet. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Again, I'm going to make another 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Back to my knot again, I'm going to crochet another 3 double crochet. So that's the first again, the second, and the third. So what next again, I'm going to crochet another 3 double crochet. I'm going to crochet another 3 chain, guys. That's 1, 2, 3 chain. So I come here on my first chain where I begin my work. So on top of the chain here, I'm going to make a slim stitch like that. So that's the beginning of my work. So the next thing, I'll make a slim stitch to the next, then here another slim stitch. So what next now? I'm going to crochet 3 chain like that. 2 double crochet, like that, 3 chain, back to the hole, double crochet, another double crochet, then 3 chain, 1 2 3. So back to this hole, I'll make a slim stitch like this, and it will give 3 double crochet. So I make a slim stitch here, another slim stitch, then back to this hole, I finish one of my slim stitch. So I'm going to make 3 chain. I'll crochet 3 chain, guys, like that. Back to this hole, I'm going to crochet 2 double crochet followed, like that, 3 chain, loop over my hook, back to the same hole, I'm going to crochet 2 double crochet, then I'll crochet 3 chain, back to the same hole here, I'm going to make a slim stitch down like that, and that will give 3 double crochet. So the next, I'm going to make a slim stitch here, another slim stitch, then back to this hole, I make a slim stitch. So I crochet 3 chain, back to the same hole, followed by 2 double crochet, 3 chain, back to the same hole, followed by 2 double crochet, 3 chain. So back to the same hole, you make a slim stitch like this, and so that's the position of your cross, guys, like you can see. So this is the position of your cross. So I continue my work, slim stitch, slim stitch, then to this hole, a slim stitch like that, I make 3 chain, back to the same hole, I crochet 2 double crochet followed by 3 chain, back to the same hole, 3 double crochet followed. That's 1 2 and 3. So you turn your work now like this, you make a slim stitch, another slim stitch, then to this hole, another slim stitch here. So you make 3 chain, back to the same hole, followed by 2 double crochet, 3 chain, guys, and back to the same hole, followed by another 3 double crochet, like that. Then you turn your work like this, make slim stitch, slim stitch, slim stitch, then here you remove the last slim stitch, then you make 3 chain, followed by 2 double crochet, 3 chain, followed by 3 double crochet. So as you can see this here cross already, guys. So the next thing you use here scissors and you cut your yarn. So you see now your needle and you sew the yarn inside. Like that. Then you cut. So here is my cross, a 2 folded cross. So if you have watched up to this stage, guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching.